9-volt MagSafe charger for the Panamera 971. This is probably the easiest install for all our products. All you're going to do is open the little cubby door, just kind of set this in here, and once you're all squared up, just go ahead and just push it all the way in. And it's going to snap down below the chrome trim, and then you're just going to snake your wire back. And I like to kind of line that up with the leather seam that Porsche has there, and plug the adapter back in here. Get your wire nice and situated. Make sure the wire here is tucked on the inside because there is a latch here, so if you run it through the middle here, you won't be able to latch it. But anyway, that's it to the install, and you are good to go. Unfortunately, with this car, you're going to have this little piece of wire showing here, and that's because this car design is a little bit older, and you know, the newer Porsches, all this trim would pop out really easily. Even like this cubby would come out, but this is actually bolted from the bottom, so you can't get to it unless you take out, you literally have to take out this entire center console. This trim, this leather trim here, it's all plastic welded from the inside. So if you do pull on it and pop it off, it's not going to go back in because all the prongs are going to be broken off. And even these side pieces, everything is just, it's super solid, but it's not replacement friendly. So I would imagine that this would be, you know, like a 2-3 hour job if you really wanted to go wireless. There's probably some videos on the internet of how to completely disassemble this, but I mean, everything, this gear shift, everything has to come out so that you can get down below and then pull all this out. So anyway, that is our MagSafe charger for the 971. Just occurred to me, I forgot to show you how to uninstall. Super easy. Go ahead and unplug. And then for this part, you're just going to take the top and just cock it to one side, and it's going to release. And then the base, you're going to want to pull it to one side so it clears, and then you can just pull that out. And then reassembly is super easy. There's a notch here for guidance, and you just put her back in, and that notch makes sure it's all straight and good to go again.